Hello, everyone. So today we will be talking about the closed captions on your devices. So first of all, what are closed captions, also known as the live captions? Closed captions are the text version of the audio coming from your device, a textual representation of the audio within a media file. Some benefits of closed captions include it makes devices more accessible for people who have deaf or hard of hearing. It helps maintain concentration, provide better experience for viewers with disabilities such as attention deficits or autism. Provide higher user engagement. It is easier to follow along with the speech as closed captions may be available in different languages as well, which may help enhance viewer experience. And in addition, it helps in improving reading skills for young viewers. So in today's presentation, we will cover up how to turn on the Chrome live captions, enabling live captions on smartphone, which will include the iOS system, the Android system, as well as the Ava Captions app. And we will also talk about enable captions for videos, as well as how to use the Zoom captions. So let's start off with how to turn on the Chrome live captions. To enable the live captions for Chrome on your computer, the first step is open your Chrome. Then at the right top corner, you would able to find the three dots. Then you click on the settings. Then in the settings, there is advanced. Then under advanced, you will find accessibility. Once you go into accessibility, you can enable the live caption. And to turn on captions when you play a video, at the top right, select media control. You can also change the caption preferences such as style and size. So here are the steps. So first, at your Chrome browser, you would be able to see these three dots at the really top right corner. Then after you click on it, there is settings. If you click on settings, it will pop up the settings page. And then this one of the subtitles, it was the advanced. Once you click on the advanced, it will show a list of other topics, which accessibility was one of them. Once you go to accessibility, you will be able to turn on your live caption by clicking on this, as well as changing your caption preferences. Okay, now we'll be talking about how to enable live captions for Android system. So the steps are first, you need to open the settings app in your device. Then you just search captions in the search menu. Then you tap the button to enable captions when available. You can also change the language, text size, caption style, etc. So you may visit this link for more information. And for the Android system, some features may vary depending on the device manufacturer and Android version. So it might not be the same for everyone. And here are the steps for Android system. First, you can find this gear icon and it says settings, which is on your home page. Then once you go into this app, you will be able to see the search bar at the top. Then you type in captions and it will pop up this icon and it has captions. Once you go into captions, you will be able to turn it on or off. And as you see here, you would also be able to change the language setting, the text size, and the caption style based on your preferences. Then we will be talking about how to enable live captions for iOS system. So for iOS system, the steps are first, you go to the settings app. Once you go into settings, you click on the general topic. And once you go into general, you click on accessibility. And once you're in the accessibility page, you scroll down to the media section and click on subtitles and captioning. Then you will be able to click on the button next to closed captions plus SDH to turn it on or off. So you may also visit this link for more information regarding to the live captions for iOS. And just like for Android system, some features may vary depending on the model of the device for the iOS system as well. So here is an example. So first, you may find a gray gear icon on your home page, and it says settings. Once you go into the settings app, you will be able to find the general. Then you click on general and you will be able to see accessibility. Then once you click into accessibility, you scroll all the way down and you would find the topic saying media. And under that, it says subtitles and captioning. Once you click into this, you will be able to turn on or off the closed captions. And as well, you may change the style based on your preferences here. So then we'll be talking about the Ava Captions app. This app is for Apple and Android. So Ava is an app for closed captioning that shows you what is being said word by word. The benefits of using the Ava Captions app are first, it works offline, so it doesn't necessarily require you to have your data or your Wi-Fi on. It also provides unlimited instant captions, and you can also type for fast, natural sounding reply. And the way to download this app is to visit the App Store or the Play Store, depends on if you have iOS or Android system. Then you just search Ava and click on the app with the icon that resembles this and click install. So once you install the app, you may click into the Ava app and select the section that best suit you. Then log in using the following methods, and then you will be able to use it. It could be used both as inputting voice messages and turning it into um, the subtitles, or it may also just change the video into captions. So now we'll be talking about another software called Auditai. This is a AI-powered assistant service that can record, import, and transcribe video audio. It allows for sharing and exporting of voice notes. It connects to apps such as Zoom, Dropbox, iCloud, etc., and it's accessible on various devices, which include smartphones, computer or laptop, as well as tablets. It is a free service, but certain additional features can be paid for. And to watch a poll past webinar on Outer.ai, we do have a webinar specifically talking about this service. So now we'll be talking about how to turn on the closed captions on YouTube. So in order to enable the closed captions on YouTube, first you need to open YouTube and select the video that you would like to watch. After selecting your video, at the bottom right or left, depends on which device you're using. If you're using a laptop, then it's going to be on the bottom right. You'll see 4 icons at the bottom. If the CC icon appears to you, then click on it and turn or close to turn it on or close the captions. If your device does not display the CC icon, press the settings icon, which is also one of the icons at the right bottom corner, and you will be able to find this gear icon. You press on this gear icon and a few options should appear on the screen. Then now you may click on the subtitles. The little arrow beside it gives you other languages that you can find other than English if available. You can also use the settings button to alter other things to your liking. For example, the speed and quality of the video, which the playback speed is where you could change the speed if you want to make the video faster or slower. And the quality is to change the quality of the video if you want it to be more clear. So now we'll be going through how to turn on the closed captions on Zoom. So in order to enable the closed captions on Zoom, first, before joining your Zoom meeting, click on the Zoom app, then go to Account Managing, then Settings. So Account Managing should be at the really right top corner and where you see your profile picture. Then you just click on your profile picture and then you will see Settings. Then you click on In Meeting Advanced Settings. Then once you're in the in-meeting advanced settings, you scroll all the way down through the displayed options until you see closed captioning. Toggle it on. So once you go into the in-meeting section after you go into settings, you should be able to see closed captioning and you may turn it on or off. Then when you next join a Zoom meeting, you should see the closed captions button in the bottom menu bar. The meeting host must either pay for an app that automates captions for you or assign an in-meeting participant to type them. So for the third-party CC service, it's because unfortunately Zoom doesn't provide a captions service. So the host of the meet must find a third-party CC service. For example, the Otter.ai that we mentioned earlier is one of the service, and depends on whichever the host chose. If they choose a third-party CC service, then you may turn the captions on. Then by clicking the show subtitle, it will allow you to present while having live captions. It'll also show the live captions to participants who's in the Zoom call that you're presenting to. Okay, so now we will have our live demo. So to turn on the live captions for Chrome, first, you need to find the three dots here at the right top corner. Your might not show update just because I didn't update mine. You press on the three dots, and here you would be able to find settings. Then you click on settings. Once you're in settings, you would see an advanced section. And for advanced, you will see accessibility, and you click on this one. So now I have turned my live caption on already. You may turn it off or turn it on. If it is your first time turning on the live caption, it may show that it's downloading. So it will take a few seconds, but it's really quick. Then after you have this on, you can just go to a random video. And then if you play the video, you will be able to see the captions. So here you see the captions. At this point, I did not turn on the YouTube captions, so it's completely based on the Chrome captions that we just turned on. And in addition, as mentioned earlier, you may also turn on your closed captions for YouTube itself here, and then you will see here it pops up the captions for the video.